When you think of Iceland, iconic waterfalls like Gullfoss and Seljalandsfoss often come to mind. But what if I told you that tucked away in this land of fire and ice are secret cascades even more enchanting, waiting to be discovered? Imagine stepping into a hidden canyon where moss-covered cliffs cradle a veil of rushing water, or finding yourself alone beside a towering waterfall surrounded by raw, untouched wilderness. These aren't the landmarks crowded with tour buses. They're Iceland's best-kept secrets, offering serenity, adventure, and the chance to connect with nature in its purest form. Join me as I uncover the hidden waterfalls of Iceland, where the journey is just as breathtaking as the destination, and every step off the beaten path reveals a new wonder. Gullfoss, the hidden one. Tucked away behind a curtain of moss-covered rocks, Gullfoss lives up to its nickname as the Hidden One. Located just a short walk from the famous Seljalandsfoss, this waterfall feels like stepping into a secret oasis. To truly experience its magic, venture into the narrow canyon where the waterfall is concealed. Be prepared to get your feet wet as you navigate the shallow stream. But the reward, a close-up view of the cascading water, is absolutely worth it. From Seljalandsfoss, follow the path to the left for about 500 meters. Listen for the sound of rushing water to guide you. Höfuðfoss, the Tall Falls. As one of Iceland's tallest waterfalls, Höfuðfoss plunges an impressive 122 meters into a rugged canyon, yet it remains surprisingly undervisited. The surrounding landscape of jagged cliffs and mossy terrain adds to the dramatic allure of this hidden gem. Nearby, you'll find Granny, a smaller but equally beautiful waterfall, creating a stunning twin display. Located in the Þjórsárdalir Valley, Höfuðfoss is accessible via a gravel road off Route 32. A short hike from the parking lot leads you to an unforgettable view. Dynjandi, the jewel of the Westfjords. In the remote Westfjords, Dynjandi stands as a cascading masterpiece. This multi-tiered waterfall, often described as fan-shaped, is surrounded by smaller waterfalls that together create a symphony of sights and sounds. Visiting Dynjandi feels like finding a treasure in one of Iceland's most untouched regions. Take Route 60 through the Westfjords. The waterfall is visible from the parking area, but a short, scenic hike brings you closer to its base. Breathtaking, the Blue Waterfall. Known for its mesmerizing turquoise waters, Breathtaking is a hidden gem that feels worlds away from the crowds. The water flows over a series of small cascades, creating a shimmering blue ribbon that contrasts beautifully with the dark volcanic rock. Its remote location ensures a quieter, more serene experience. Located off Route 37 in the Golden Circle area, reaching Breathtaking requires a 3.5-kilometer hike through scenic landscapes. Follow marked trails or maps for guidance. Furufoss. Nestled in a secluded gorge near the famous Skógafoss, Furufoss offers a tranquil escape from the tourist-heavy sights. This stunning waterfall tumbles into a peaceful meadow surrounded by cliffs. Visitors can even walk behind the falls for a unique perspective, much like Seljalandsfoss, but without the crowds. From the Skógar Museum, follow the trail along the fence for about 20 minutes to reach this hidden treasure. Höfuðfoss. At 128 meters, Höfuðfoss is one of Iceland's tallest waterfalls, but its unique geological backdrop makes it truly special. The waterfall is framed by layers of red clay and basalt rock, creating striking patterns that highlight Iceland's volcanic history. The moderate hike to Höfuðfoss is a journey in itself, offering views of the smaller Litlendisfoss along the way. Located in East Iceland near Lake Lagarfljót, the trailhead to Höfuðfoss is clearly marked off Route 931. Fagrafoss, the Beautiful Falls. Living up to its name, Fagrafoss is a beautiful waterfall, tucked away in the highlands. Its remote location and rugged surroundings make it a favorite for those seeking off-the-beaten-path adventures. The cascading water flows over dark volcanic rock, creating a striking visual contrast with the lush greenery. Accessible via the F206 road leading to Lakagigar craters. A 4x4 vehicle is recommended due to rough terrain. Untouched. For a mix of stunning natural beauty and raw volcanic power, Untouched is a must-see. The waterfall is framed by unique basalt columns that create a striking geometric backdrop. The roaring water crashing into the pool below is a reminder of Iceland's untamed wilderness. Located in North Iceland along the Skjálfandafljót River, Aldeyjarfoss requires a drive along Route 842. A short hike from the parking area will lead you to the falls. Reykjafoss, Steam Falls. Situated near the geothermal hotspot of Varmalid, Reykjafoss offers a unique combination of water and steam. From Varmalid, take the road toward Reykjafoss. A short hike through farmland leads to the falls and hot springs. Skútafoss. One of the lesser-known gems in the Vatnajökull National Park area, Skútafoss is a peaceful waterfall hidden away from the main tourist routes. The quiet surroundings and the unique setting, with a small cave-like feature behind the falls, make it a perfect spot for photography or simply soaking in Iceland's natural beauty. Located near Hof, follow local maps or ask residents for directions to this hidden beauty. Hraunfossar, Lava Falls. Unlike typical waterfalls, Hraunfossar is a series of gentle cascades that flow out of a lava field into the Þvott River. The crystal-clear streams emerge from beneath the Hallmundarrán lava field, creating a surreal and tranquil scene. Its unique appearance, with dozens of small waterfalls spread out over a wide area, makes it one of the most distinctive hidden gems in Iceland. Located in West Iceland near Reykholt, Hraunfossar is easily accessible by car via Route 518. Thorufoss. Hidden in the rugged landscapes of Mosfellsdalur Valley, Thorufoss offers a peaceful retreat from the busier tourist sites. The waterfall gently tumbles over a rocky cliff into a serene pool, surrounded by untouched nature. Known for its role in Game of Thrones, Thorufoss has a mystical allure that makes it worth the detour. Take Route 36 from Reykjavik toward Thingvellir National Park. Then follow the signs for Thorufoss. It's a short walk from the parking area. Kirkjufellsfoss. Situated near the iconic Kirkjufell mountain on the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, Kirkjufellsfoss is a small but picturesque waterfall that offers one of Iceland's most photographed landscapes. The waterfall's gentle cascades combined with the dramatic backdrop of the mountain make it a dream spot for photographers and nature lovers alike. Located off Route 54, the waterfall is easily accessible by car, with a short walking trail leading to the best viewpoints. Gígin Waterfalls. Tucked away in the Þjórsárvöllur Valley, Gígin is a lush oasis that feels like a hidden paradise. This enchanting area is dotted with small waterfalls, streams, and pools, all surrounded by vibrant greenery and basalt formations. It's a perfect spot for a peaceful picnic or a leisurely exploration of Iceland's untouched beauty. Drive along Route 32 and follow signs to Gígin. A short hike will take you to this secluded haven. Let Iceland's hidden waterfalls inspire you to explore deeper, wander further, and discover the extraordinary and the unexpected. Because in Iceland, the road less traveled often leads to the most breathtaking views.